Sometimes, nalilimutan ng mga Filipino yung mga passion nila. Nakakalimutan na nila yun dahil Filipinos working 2 jobs, 3 jobs, sometimes no sleep at all. Para lang kumita at para lang maipadala natin sa Pilipinas para makatulong tayo sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Once na nagpunta tayo sa mountains, nag-hike tayo, nare-release yung pressure.
The mission of Kate is to fill that gap between the Canadian climbing community and Filipino immigrants that wants to experience climbing the Canadian Rockies.
Pinag-combine namin yung bawat na nakita namin at napag-desisyonan namin na siguro pwede namin i-attempt ang House Peak.
That trip for us is a history of pushing our comfort and the level of journey that we tackle in the Canadian Rockies.